Fight for the LOP post in Parliament continues as the Congress seems determined to stake claim despite the BJP citing precedent of Parliament without LOP. Senior Congress leader Mallikarjun Kharge and party's chief whip Jyotiraditya Scindia are expected to give a written request to the Speaker Sumitra Mahajan officially staking claim for the post of LOP. The request is said to have signatures of many leaders from UPA allies and argues that constitutional need for an LOP. Meanwhile, Sonia Gandhi might also meet the President to discuss the issue.
As per Act of 1977, they have to agree for opposition leadership to Congress because we have got largest numbers. Section 2, that is definition, itself says that a party which has got a majority in opposition, it should be recognized. When it is clear that they can't tell that there is a direction, there is a precedent. The precedent can't override act. Act ये प्रथम होता है और जो रूल्स होते हैं या कोई डायरेक्शन होते हैं उसके अंतर्गत होते हैं. जब एक्ट ही क्लियर कह रहा है, एक्ट के खिलाफ में अगर कोई रूलिंग भी होता है वो कानून के दायरे में नहीं ठहरता.
Leader of the opposition's position legitimately should go to the Congress party. It is the second largest party in the House. And the fact that it is being denied is really a travesty of justice because the leader of opposition, unlike in the past, now is an integral member of a number of presidiums which decide on sensitive appointments. So therefore, obviously the intent, A, is to see that Indian Parliament functions without a leader of opposition, which is undemocratic, and B, to ensure that an alternative voice does not filter into the appointment process. So therefore, the entire approach has been extremely sectarian, non-constructive, and I don't think it augurs well for the smooth functioning of Parliament.
Can we rule out Congress going to court for this? Will you take the legal route if not given the position?
Well, those are decisions which the Congress President will take. So obviously, those options are always available and always open. If required, they can always be energized.
मैं समझता हूँ कि सरकार को अपना हृदय थोड़ा बड़ा रखना चाहिए और ये जो वो बार बार आर्गुमेंट दिया जाता है कि 10% जो लोकसभा की संसद सदस्यों की संख्या है उसका 10% होना चाहिए, ये कोई कानून नहीं है, ये कोई ऐसा संविधान में लिखा हुआ नहीं है. अभी बिहार में इसी तरह की परिस्थिति उत्पन्न हुई थी तो नीतीश कुमार जी ने आगे बढ़कर और वहाँ आरजेडी को मेन अपोजिशन लीडर का उनको असर दिया. तो मैं समझता हूँ कि इनको उससे सीख लेनी चाहिए और लोकतंत्र में अपोजिशन की बहुत अहम भूमिका होती है, आप उसको दबा के नहीं रख सकते.
I think we should leave it to the Honorable Speaker because this is not a straightforward issue. It is not just a question of the second largest party or 10%. I think there are precedents also in the past when we have not had leaders of the opposition. I don't want to intervene or say something on the matter while it is being considered by the Honorable Speaker. I think we should leave it to her discussion.